Hello everyone, this is teacher Jason here, and today we're going to be covering the branching method. Where do we actually see such branching methods being used? You often see them in remainder word problems. And please take note that we do not want to confuse this with the remainder problems we often see in patterns. Let's say I have a certain sum of money and I'd like to share this with my brother, and from the amount I'm left with, I'd like to share this amount with my sister. How can I actually represent this? So we start off with my sum of money, and I'd like to share a portion of it with my brother. From this section, I'm going to be left with a remainder amount of money, and from this remainder section, I would like to share again half of it with my sister, and I'll be left with some money in the end. So I'm going to be putting half to my brother, and I'm going to be giving half of my remainder to my sister. So how do I actually use all this information and calculate either the amount of money I had at the start or at the end? Because I know I gave half to my brother, I know that for my remainder, I'm left with half the amount. Because I know I gave half of the remainder to my sister, I know that the amount left is again another half. The amount left, based on the amount of money I had at the start, would have been half times another half, because it's half of the remainder. So in this case, it's going to be 1/4. So by using fractions multiplication, we can even apply to determine the amount of money left as compared to the amount of money we had at the start. Or we can actually see the amount of money left is what fraction of the amount that we started with.